The Director of Public Prosecutions took the step to withdraw all the 125 cases after the Court of Appeal ruled in a case filed by former Transport Cabinet Secretary Engineer Michael Kamau, where he was challenging charges against him on grounds that at the time investigations were commenced, concluded and case cleared for prosecution in 2015, the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission was not properly constituted as there were no commissioners in office. At the time, EACC Chair Mumo Matemu and Commissioners Irene Keino and Jane Onsongo had resigned from their positions, followed by submission of an investigations report to President Uhuru Kenyatta by EACC CEO Halake Wako.
I also hereby direct that all officials of the national and county governments that are adversely mentioned in this report, whether you are a cabinet secretary, principal secretary, or chief executive of a state institution, to immediately step aside pending conclusion.
Despite the hype that followed Kenyatta's decision requiring all government officials named in the cases to step aside, all the efforts have now come to naught. EACC Commissioner Rose Macharia, however, seeing it as an opportunity to follow due process.
We want to actually do it the right way. So if there are technicalities in the way that was done before, it is actually a good thing for us. We don't feel like it's a blow. It's a joint effort between us and the DPP's office.
Some of the cases withdrawn by DPP Kiriako Tobiko include one facing former NYS Director General Nelson Githinji, in which he has been facing charges of abuse of office for using public resources to service a personal vehicle. 2 years since the cases were concluded and cleared for prosecution, the 5 EACC commissioners led by Chair Archbishop Eliud Obukala will have to return to the drawing board in the building up of cases that can stand the test of judicial process.
Properly constituted we are. We are a full commission now. Yeah.
Most of the cabinet secretaries laid off by President Kenyatta in 2015 on grounds of EACC's list of shame have since been cleared by the courts before full hearing of their cases after they raised preliminary objections on technical grounds. Sam Kitukusrezen, Weekend.